Hey, what's up? I'm Kim Witte of Witte Artistry, and I'm a professional artist and makeup artist. I am a lover of all things fantasy, and I've been doing art ever since I was a little kid. I started my makeup journey back in about 2012, where I decided to get a body paint palette and just teach myself. I immediately fell in love with the process, as I am really into acting, so I like putting that body paint on and totally getting lost in a different world. I have always been really into creating characters, acting, and then getting really into character and just entertaining people. So I decided to do that in makeup. Why not bring those characters to life? So I started doing body painting and really becoming the characters. If you're interested in acting, cosplay, makeup art, and art in general, I really encourage you to subscribe and join me on this journey. You guys are going to be seeing so many fun tutorials, silly videos, and product reviews. I love you guys. Now check out all these cool makeups. Want to learn how to make them? Stick around. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video.